Morning. It is just before 7 o'clock, and we are breaking down our sleep systems. And it was just such a wonderful stealth campsite that we were staying in last night. And I've already pulled out my stakes, and I'm fixing to fold up my fly and just get everything packed up. So we'll see y'all in a little bit.
Ha! Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, yeah.
Oh.
So, best get to it.
Yep.
Talk at y'all. So, stealth campsite on top of Flat Top Mountain. We thank you for giving us a great night's sleep, and we left you just like we found you.